To rearrange products on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin account and navigate to the Products page. This page displays all the products you have in your store, and it is where you can manage and organize them. First, click on the Products tab on the left side of the screen, and then click on the Products link. This will take you to the Products page, where you can see all your products listed. To rearrange products, you need to use the drag and drop feature or the sort feature. To use the drag and drop feature, simply click on the product you want to move, hold down the mouse button, and drag it to its new position. To use the sort feature, click on the sort button at the top right of the products page. This will give you a drop-down menu with options to sort your products by name, price, or date created. You can sort your products in ascending or descending order. Another way to rearrange products is by using collections. A collection is a group of products that can be organized and displayed together. To create a collection, click on the Collections tab on the left side of the screen and then click on the Create Collection button. Give your collection a name and add the products you want to include. You can add products manually by selecting them from the products list, or you can set up rules to automatically add products to the collection based on certain conditions. Once you have created a collection, you can rearrange the products within it by using the drag and drop feature or the sort feature. This allows you to customize the order in which your products appear to customers. It is also important to consider the best practices for rearranging products on Shopify. One key concept is to prioritize your best-selling products and place them at the top of the list. This will help to increase sales and revenue. Another best practice is to use high-quality product images and detailed product descriptions to make your products stand out. This will help to improve the customer experience and increase conversions. In conclusion, rearranging products on Shopify is a simple and effective way to improve the customer experience and increase sales. By using the drag and drop feature, the sort feature, and collections, you can customize the order in which your products appear and make your store more engaging and user-friendly.